Good day, Mom and Sir. I'm Maricel Labro. I'm 42 years old. Married. I have 3 kids, ages 23, 21, and 19 years old from Lucban, Quezon, Philippines. I'm graduate high school. I have already work experience in Saudi Arabia for 3 years and 10 months for 5 members, 2 adults and 3 kids. My main duties is general cleaning, ironing, washing clothes, washing dishes, cook basic food, car wash, and take care of baby. For my future employer, if you give me a chance to work with you, I promise to you, I do my best and I follow your rules and regulations. And I show you I'm a good helper, honest, trustworthy, patient, responsible, and dedicated to my work. And especially, I treat your kids as my own. Thank you very much, and God bless.